Oh yeah. All right, real quick. Turn signal replacement on 2013 F150. Step one, 3.7 millimeters underneath this plastic steering column shit. Correction, it's a 5.5 millimeter. Kind of weird shit. Now we got to figure out how this puppy comes apart. There's a little retainer right there. Probably one on this side. Yep. I got a tool for this. It's fun. You can press it with that for now. Look at that. Look at you. This is as low as this goes? Fuck yeah. But it'll come out. Oh yeah, little torques there, little torques down there. All right, make sure you position the big part of your steering wheel for access. These are T10 Torxes. Whoop. Thank you. Hold one out. Literally just pull that way on the screws are at. So installation, we're going to bam, click it in there, click that up in there. All right, I'll go get a magnet. Got that out of there? How'd you do that?
Tiny arms.
Jesus. Sweet. I wish I had my headset still.
What?
All right, Torxes are in. Lower plastic, back clip down. This is always the hardest part. All right, just getting these to mesh together correctly. Oh, does this slide in? No. Okay, hooks are in. Hooks are in. Hey, look at that. That feels too easy. I don't trust it. I don't trust it at all.
The car alarm is going to turn off as soon as you turn the truck on.
Yeah. Chaos is going to ensue.
Everyone will just know when you're coming.
I think I just belly bonked like a memory seat button.
Probably.
I did something. I hope. Well, hey, looky there, dude. The windshield wipers aren't on. But if we flip the switch, now they are on. Now they're off. Hey!
Does the fluid work?
It still turn signals. It still has an airbag light. Hey, look at that, though. You're good to go.
Sweet.
Good work.